Welcome back, Decobloom family. Are you ready to transform your space into a timeless sanctuary of luxury? Today, we are diving deep into the world of old money sophistication. We are exploring stunning navy blue and tan decor ideas inspired by the legendary Ralph Lauren aesthetic to bring that classic Americana charm right into your own home. Incorporating a navy velvet sofa with tan leather piping instantly anchors your living room with a touch of old-world charm. This piece blends the softness of high-end fabric with the rugged durability of leather trim. It creates a focal point that is both inviting and structurally sophisticated, echoing the quintessential Ralph Lauren commitment to timeless luxury and domestic comfort. Tan grasscloth wallpaper provides a stunning organic texture that transforms flat walls into a multidimensional masterpiece. By pairing this natural element with deep navy crown molding, you create a rich contrast that feels grounded yet incredibly elevated. This design choice brings a tactile warmth to the space, ensuring your room feels cozy while maintaining a strict, high-end and designer aesthetic. Utilizing a tan leather trunk as a coffee table introduces a sense of travel and history into your seating area. Its weathered texture provides a beautiful counterpoint to deep navy upholstery and heavy fabrics. This multifunctional piece serves as a conversation starter, grounding the room with a sense of adventure and the enduring appeal of the classic, rugged American luxury lifestyle. Navy pinstripe armchairs bring the sharp, refined look of a bespoke suit directly into your interior design. When you drape a chunky tan wool throw over the back, you soften the formal lines with a rustic touch. This combination celebrates masculine elegance and creates a cozy nook that feels like a private club, blending sartorial style with timeless home comfort. Polished mahogany bookshelves filled with navy-bound volumes and tan leather boxes create a sense of scholarly luxury. The deep wood tones perfectly complement the blue and tan palette, establishing a library that feels centuries old. This setup prioritizes a curated look where every object feels like a collected treasure, enhancing the overall mood of intellectual and domestic luxury and refinement. Layering a navy Persian rug over a large, tan sisal base adds immediate depth and visual interest to your floors. The juxtaposition of the rough, natural fibers with the intricate patterns of the wool rug creates a rich, lived-in feel. This technique is a hallmark of sophisticated design, grounding the furniture and defining the space with effortless, textured and timeless elegance. Positioning a brass pharmacy lamp next to a tan leather chair creates the perfect intimate reading corner. The metallic gleam of the brass pops beautifully against navy walls, providing focused light and a vintage silhouette. This small but impactful detail adds a layer of timeless character and functional beauty, reinforcing the moody and scholarly atmosphere of a high-end luxury home. Navy and tan plaid bedding transforms your bedroom into a high-end lodge retreat. This classic pattern evokes a sense of comfort and tradition that is synonymous with the Americana aesthetic. By layering different textures like wool and cotton, you create a sanctuary that feels both rugged and incredibly polished, ensuring every night feels like a stay in a grand estate. Styling blue and white ginger jars on a tan oak console table brings a touch of Hamptons elegance to your entryway. The crisp patterns of the jars provide a sophisticated contrast to the warm, natural wood. This arrangement bridges the gap between coastal charm and traditional manor style, offering a welcoming sight that is both bright and deeply rooted in heritage. A navy lacquered bar cart serves as the ultimate statement piece for entertaining in style. Stocked with crystal decanters and tan leather accessories, it reflects a lifestyle of refined hospitality. The high-gloss finish adds a modern edge to the traditional color palette, making it a versatile and glamorous addition to any living or dining area focused on grand social gatherings. Updating navy cabinetry with heavy brass hardware creates a maritime-inspired aesthetic that feels incredibly upscale. The contrast between the dark blue paint and the warm metallic finish is a classic hallmark of the Ralph Lauren look. This simple change adds a sense of permanence and quality to your kitchen or bathroom, emphasizing a commitment to hardware that is built to last. Navy shiplap walls offer a sophisticated and moody take on the traditional farmhouse style. By keeping the furniture in tan wooden tones, you maintain a classic Americana vibe that feels fresh and architectural. The deep shadows in the grooves of the shiplap add depth to the room, creating a cozy and enclosed feeling that is perfect for a library or den. Painting your ceiling a deep navy while keeping the walls a warm tan creates a stunning fifth wall effect. This unconventional design choice makes the room feel more intimate and luxurious, as if you are wrapped in a cocoon of color. It draws the eye upward, highlighting architectural details and adding a dramatic flair that is both surprising and classically sophisticated. Combining navy and white Oxford striped pillows with solid tan linen creates a preppy, nautical look that is quintessential Ralph Lauren. These patterns evoke the feeling of a classic coastal retreat or a high-end sailing yacht. The mix of stripes and solids adds visual rhythm to your seating, ensuring the space feels curated, relaxed, and deeply connected to a lifestyle. A tan suede bench, placed at the foot of a navy-dressed bed, adds a final touch of luxury to your sleeping quarters. The soft texture of the suede contrasts beautifully with the crispness of the linens and the deep blue of the duvet. This piece provides both functionality and a sense of hotel-inspired grandeur, completing the room with a polished finish. From velvet sofas to leather accents, we have covered the essential elements that define the sophisticated navy and tan Ralph Lauren look. These timeless combinations create a home that feels both grounded and incredibly luxurious. If these ideas inspired your next room makeover, please give this video a like, subscribe to Decobloom for more interior tips, and let me know your favorite idea in the comments.